Okay, listen. So everybody wants to be like an entrepreneur and come up with this great idea that will make them like extra money, like a little side hustle, like make money on the side. But the issue is that people just don't have like the idea, or like don't know exactly what to do, or like how to do that, or how to start their own little business, you know? But in the age that we're in with like the internet and everything, it's easier than ever to sell things that you make yourself online, okay? So something that I've been doing for like a while is using Depop to sell my clothes, and I make money that way because it's like thrifting online, so people just see my clothes and they buy them and then I get the money from it, and it's actually pretty sick. But I was thinking like, how can I expand that? And then I had an idea. So I'm by no means like the artsiest person in the world, right? But like, I'm not horrible at things and my handwriting isn't like awful. So then I thought, why don't I make some little artsy painted things and then sell them on my Depop platform, since I'm already selling things there anyway, like my gently used clothes, right? So that's what we're going to be doing today because I have nothing better to do. I was pretty bored, and then I was like, may as well start a little business. So we're gonna hang out while I try to think of some ideas for things to paint on some canvas bags, some little reusable tote bags that I can sell to you guys or any of my followers on Depop to make a little extra cash to pay for the important things that I need to as a college student. So let's get cracking. So I already had just like a butt ton of acrylic paint that I got from my brother, and it's just like a rainbow of colors. So I was set in the paint department, and then I was like, what should I paint on? Should I paint on like jeans, jean jackets, or little bags, right? So then I ordered all these canvas bags, and they were like 20 for like $30. So each one was like $1.50-ish or something like that. So I figured that if I sold this at the end for like $10, then I'd still make a profit and not be losing money, which is the goal. I don't want to be losing money. So now we just gotta think of some ideas of what to paint or draw on these bags. So I've done a few little doodles before and like posted them on my Instagram, so I was thinking like maybe I could use some of those, like this one. This one, I don't know if you can see these very well, but this one says like Pretty Mind and it has little flowers on it. And then this one is Talking in Colors, words more beautiful than any work of art. So, you know, I thought I was being like creative and stuff, so maybe I could reuse one of these. I think one that I actually am going to use is this one, which is mental health is just as important as physical health, and I drew a little brain with like some flowers and stuff. So maybe that'd be a good idea, and I think I might be reusing some of the doodles that I've already made, since I already made them and I know that I don't suck at drawing them. So that's gonna be where I'm gonna start, I think. I also have like a whole Pinterest board of like inspiration of like little quotes that I like and little drawings that I think are cute that I think I could recreate. Like there's one that says like life is beautiful, and it has like a little fox and some flowers and the moon. Like it's so cute. So I'm looking at like my Pinterest page too. And then just one more thing that I was looking at are the painted bags that are already on Depop, and like the painted jeans and stuff. And there's a lot of very beautiful ones, like so good. And I could never like actually paint that well, but they're all like images, you know? So maybe words will have a different impact on people. People are interested in words, because I can't really draw like portraits or landscapes. Like it's a lot of like Bob Ross paintings done on like bags, which is amazing, but I really don't know if I can do that. So I'm gonna start some little sketches and then see where we get, and then I'll catch up with you when I'm ready to put paint onto canvas. Ooh, that is scary. I am scared. Alright, so let's search for some colors. I really like this turquoise one, which is right on the top, which is sick. I think that would actually look good with both of these. I want to find a yellow. Oh, that's way down there. This bag is a little complicated because you just have to like shove your hand in. Like it doesn't unzip any more than just at the top. Okay, I like this yellow. There's also a yellow further down, but I'm gonna go with this one because I don't think I can get that one out. So these are the colors I'm gonna start with, I think. And then brushes. I have a lot of sizes. I'm probably gonna stick to like smaller ones. I don't trust myself with like big brushes. So maybe like these two would be good. I think I'm gonna start with those. And I put some newspaper down so I don't make a mess of my table. And I also put some newspaper inside the bag so it doesn't bleed through, because that would be no good. Like I'm just like sweating because I don't want to mess up. And so let's see how it goes. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's so cute. My little sunshine. Oh, I love it. And I think I'm gonna add with a Sharpie a little quote like written around it. So I think that's gonna be cute. I don't know what to put with like the sunshine. I could put something simple like here comes the sun. Or I could put something like motivational, like don't let your fire go out. No, I don't like that. That's kind of stupid. I'll think of something. You'll know what it is eventually. But now I think I'm gonna like paint something else. Maybe a strawberry. I think it'd be worse with that. Maybe I'll just make like another sunshine or like a moon or a flower. That'd be kind of cute. Oh, or a little carrot. Okay, there's so many ideas in my head right now. This is so exciting. Okay, and this is so funny, but I've literally like, I've gone off the rails. Now I'm making like vegetable puns. I'm gonna add leaves to this one and roots, and it's gonna say like, you look radishing today, because it's a radish. And then to this one, I'm gonna add stems and leaves, and it's little cherries. So I might say something like, I'm so happy that we met, or like something cute like that, because they're little friends and they're cherries and they're stuck together. I guess now I'm making little vegetables, and that's a great choice for me. Hello again. It is a few hours later and everything is dried, and I added all the text to everything. So I'm gonna do like a little, I don't know if I should call it a haul or just like a show and tell of the bags I made. So I made 7 today, and I think they're very, very cute. They turned out so adorable. Okay, so the first one is the sunshine one, of course, and it says, a soul full of sunshine. And it just has the little painted sunshine on it. And I made the text pretty small because I didn't want it to like take away from like the little details of the drawing. So that's the first one. The second one are some flowers that say love generously. The third one are some cherries that say I'm so happy we met. The fourth one is also cherries and it says shop local. The fifth one is a radish that says you look radishing today, which I think is so funny. And then the sixth and the seventh one are little jam jars that say you are my jam. So that's that one, and then just the other one is very similar. It just looks like that. So now I'm gonna take some photos and pose for Depop and all that. Then I'm gonna go through and crop them into squares because you have to post in square on Depop. And I think I'm gonna price these as $8 a bag, and then 2 for $15 and 3 for $20. So then if people want more than one, they can get more than one. And these are just a few that I'm gonna put up right now. And then I'm gonna be putting up more later on with some more little vegetables or whatever people want, really. More sunshines. I think the sunshine one is really cute, and I wish I had made more, but I was like getting sick of drawing the triangles around the sunshine. Anyway, let's take these pics. Okay, so those are all my bags and me starting my little bag business of painted reusable canvas bags. If you'd like to buy any, you can check out my Depop at Jess Horst. And thank you for watching today's video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.